Yes, Kiki. Today we are going to learn beautiful words that start with the letter H. H for horse. Running horse. H for house. Beautiful house. H for helicopter. Flying helicopter. Have fun, Kiki. H for horse. H for house. H for helicopter. See you again on Mama TV. Bye, friends.